Alright, so this is the part 2 of the IPMA. So this is the module, and let me show you the other one, so make sure that you know that I'm replacing it. So this is the defective one, and this is the new one. And here, I'm gonna put that module here, and we're gonna see, or let's find out once I put the computer and see if this one is going to be respond, right? Okay, so I just installed the new IPMA, so it's here now, and this is the old one. Pull codes, because yeah, the module was responded, but I have a trouble code for the IPMA because I need to do a calibration. So I'm gonna drive this car. It says calibration response module before road test 5 minutes, greater than 30 kilometers per hour. So I'm gonna do a quick test drive to make sure that this new IPMA is going to be calibrated, and we're gonna hook up again the computer to see if we're gonna clear the trouble codes. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna do a calibration for this IPMA. See that? It's a warning light, and we're doing the calibration. So we're going to hit the road and do the calibration. So here's the thing. Here's also the warning for the emergency braking assist. It's still on the dash, but the IPMA is responding. So the IPMA module, like the IPMA, is now responding. The module is located here, but still have a problem with the warning on the dash, and turns out we have to solve this problem too. Alright, so finally, we managed to fix the problem, eliminate or remove the warning of this emergency braking assistance. So it says it needs to be configured, that trouble code, and it says not configured correctly. So as you can see now, the warning on the dash is now gone, and all of the module was responded. ABS, where is it? Driver's domain, there you go, responded. IPMA, where was it? There you go. So yeah, it's done.